right, so yesterday we showed you extensive videos and pictures of the huge event that happened over the weekend, and the Asantehene Otumfuo Osetutu Abebio visiting the Ga state. And some people were intrigued about all the display of culture and tradition, but one thing stood out for many people: the very simple nature of the Ga Manste kente. It was simple, but it was intricate with some of, you see, some people are saying, Papa, very, very simple. Yeah, who say, bebre guni who be the nyanyina as yan fancy nyanya. But the guys call it nyanyina, sa a bina, you say, Pamwa home, no, and a guni come ye day, and you're white affirm. But and to man frano no. One no say symbol be wom and yet drawing any art keke. These are what the Gans call the samai. A samai nyina matter will be our Ganfo so a war tis bibi said in cra. I can for din crano. And to man a frano no more din cran for samai no bebre and I. Now near di kaya say nipa be picking from that was the abui. There be atobi no ejina ho emma respect due to everyone. Say a bua was say ejina symbols na already ananka mo de ato ha ma atobi no ejina ho emma friends say respect to everyone. This symbol emphasizes the importance of respecting all individuals. Respecting all individuals regardless of status or background. Enti atobi no atobi no is on the second last time, so we share free from left to right. Say no atobi no second line no last one no. Na ye to aso akọ abui abui enso so e wo ho baby abui is the first one. The onsen kranfo enso so e wo mu edinkra abui is the first one. Na abui no ejina ho ma a stage in time save nine say wo be bibi ntem wo no say wo sha ase. And this is a reminder of the importance of addressing problems promptly to prevent them from becoming bigger. And how be by your mom when you say beswa non tem. To be with Shatawell any sombo how we saw non tem na and go find same piama. The third one is aspatre. Aspatre and so ewo so when you am so we aspatre no I mo aspatre no mo point mami. Aspatre no. Okay, so if free our late tennis so na when aspatre no so and na aspatre no ejina homa all humans find themselves in different situations. Okay, so this symbol signifies the diverse circumstances and experiences that shape our life. Into aspatre no in the Ga edinkrano ejina ho manipa normal who do I fem nipa who do bebre any experiences who do I fem ye nyina fa bi mu ti I fa boni ani de ma ye ho hingba say is the next one, and that symbolizes this that regardless of how long the beard grows, it cannot match the eyebrow in seniority, a symbol of recognizing and respecting seniority and wisdom. Or say but you say we have betu eni ntoni I'm say I can for so e ye ba ye bu so who aspire na who fi aspire ne so na oba hingme say but you say we betu eni ntoni ye ntoa eso enti ye baby o na wo waka say wutumi krampa say me hunu we anywhere mechawade and then mechawade on the Max Morning Show. All right, so let's move on to number 5, Astra Foi. And the Astra Foi so e wo ho gina ho vigilance and unity of purpose and crucial vigilance and unity of purpose are crucial for success in life, highlighting the need for alertness and collective effort to achieve success. I say I say prayer we back one ebu kambo mu emu hu hia se be ma yani adaho yani daho na ya ye adwuma bom na ye yie. Attra is number 6. It is necessary to secure or protect your valuables to save yourself the challenges you may encounter when you lose them. When he said no matter bebra ye wono ebebo ho by no man hu hia pa no ebebo ba nti we no ma na wo ohene no eyi ne ntuma ne kenta ofraye no nti yanto aso number 7 Asamankama number 7 enu nso wo me ho asamankama e form ho mu a mu hunu no asamankama last line no number 3 eno ye asamankama. Be cautious of the company you keep, for none is to be trusted wholeheartedly, advising prudence in choosing companions as trust must be earned. And sorry I fa ujide nso bia we oh we ya madamfo ochina we ya madamfo ochina we ya madamfo akanfo so e wo nia e ka say ayonkududo nti na kwoto wanye den wanya 3 nti asamankama ne gina ho say bi hwe yie no bia na obegina tum di udia ahye ni mu aka wonsam nyina a kire ne yenko. The next one number 8 abobonua, and that one says boastfulness can lead to disappointment and a warning against the pitfalls of arrogance and overconfidence. Nti minim say wa huna wutumi hunu a ewo ho wutumi hunu a game nyefa na nyemboto e na wobote game asamai symbols ahodo emi ona oh yeah ka ona ka igbele phone line say no twam ko ni wawie ono ke bon banye ni oke eku afitahi ekole no ni obi ene no ni ole baby ene wo banye otwawo ko ni oke ono ho afitahi abobonu ano yaye. Let's move on to akpopolonto. The next one is patience and peace are indispensable for human existence, emphasizing the value of patience and harmony in life. Inti akpopolonto ya chechide ohun akanfo will be achechide nanti eboko ye di bedru akpopolonto no pa che say abutre eni asomdwe nkakran hu hia pa ma ewiase abrabo a yebo. Yenko the next one no so akromadio. And akromadio no ejina ho said no one is the repository of knowledge or self-sufficient. We have our unique capabilities and depend on others whenever necessary. Into no man is an island, and no ejina ho say akromadio no yenyina dependi ye ho ene benkum dware nifa ochina na nifa so dware benkum saa nkakra saa na yeko adashino ejina ho appreciation is one of the greatest virtues anybody can have, underlining the importance of gratitude and recognizing the contributions of others. Or say nipa ya ade osaye ye adashi nipa ya ade osaye ye obi ya ade a ya ka obi wa ya ade papa on kada we ya hwe oh no jina be bomu ama wi ase nyina sa enkranfo saman say there be nipa ya ade osaye ye nti bomodia na da ase. The last one here is ashino, togetherness or unity, celebrating the strength and solidarity that comes from being united. One who say ahwene go ade mu ahuni fo enso se sina ahwene na ahwene ne fa wase a na ye kama. So ene menji gama sama komani lebi na wona ye ni ye fine egbe what was the king's name? I forgot it. I remember True. Taki True. Ni Taki Teko True the second. Abi Asuma ni Taki Teko True the second. Enti antuma o fry no. Sa enoma we bi ene wo. Mi ana nipa bebre ni ponim. Sa nkrafo e wo mo nso edi nkra. Omo frɛ ne Samai. Obi so ka ne Samai. But omu friend is samai, yeah, they kind of samai. I'm gonna for a warm deal. In fact, in the north, omu so a warm deal, and kakra ni na ebe bro. Inti abi asuma ni takite true the second. Intuma if francophobic braids all over social media and conforce papa intuma yes simple, nefe, a simple lefe and but it also symbolizes something very, very big. All right, so that's it for you on the significance of the symbol. All right, so that is the significance of the symbol of what the state chief wore.